Cape. This hotel is so cool, and it's the only hotel in Cabo that has the view to the arch. I mean, just look at that, it's gorgeous. So this is actually like the third time I've had a massage in this place, and I decided to finally record a little bit of the experience because it's just amazing. You'll see in a little bit, but it's incredible. Hello everyone, so we're at the spa at the Cape and I'm really excited. I love massages and this is one of the best places in Cabo to get one. Also, it has the view to the arch, so it's amazing. Keep watching for this experience. And we're ready to go to the wet areas. I'm excited. I'm wearing my bikini. I'm ready. Current Spa is such a cool place. I love the design. It looks like a labyrinth, and also it works in such a way that you can only hear the waves and the wind going through. You cannot hear anything else from the outside. Hey guys, so I just had my 15-minute massage. It was amazing. I loved it. It was so relaxing. And hey, look at this view. Arch over there. I personally love when the spas have the steam room and the sauna and all these extra wet areas because it's such a plus when you're getting a massage. So the sauna has me sweating like crazy. My mom. Once again, look at this view, guys. I love it. And hey, there's a friend. Guys, you cannot even start to understand how cold this water really feels. It doesn't feel like the temperature it says it is. It feels way colder, and oh my gosh, it took me forever to get in the water, but I did it. I finally did it. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching and coming along with me in this fun spa day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give love to this video.